Good luck, and let's play
Guess This Famous Building!
This skyscraper, and that one too, is located in Dubai, the United Arab Emirates. Construction started in 2004, and the building opened in 2010 as part of the new development called Downtown Dubai. It's over 2,716 feet tall, 160 stories. The building holds a lot of world's records, including tallest building in the world since 2008. It was originally named Burj Dubai. Burj, B-U-R-G, means tower. The design...
It's Burj with a J.
Burj.
It says J.
Burj.
I know you know the letters.
Burj. The design is derived from the Islamic architecture in the region. In the movie Independence Day, Resurgence, this skyscraper was thrown into London by aliens. It's also featured in the music video Thunder by Imagine Dragons.